What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. As always, I like to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take times out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much. Everybody, in this video, we are talking Next Level Car Care. Because I received this package. Probably asking, what is it? What is it? What's in the package? Well, big shout out to Jim over at Next Level Car Care. He knows how much I love his wheel and tire cleaner and how much I love his tire protectant gel. So, Jim over at Next Level threw together the ultimate wheel cleaning kit. And I also have a review video of these products on my channel that I will link down in the description below. You'll probably see it up here. Real quick, I'll show you it on my channel, but I have that video. You guys can go down there after this video and check out my review on both of these products if you'd like. But this video is to highlight the Ultimate Wheel Cleaning Kit. So I'm going to open this up and show you what you get in the wheel cleaning kit. I think it's a fantastic kit. And I'm super excited that he put it together because a wheel cleaning kit is just that much easier. You just buy it and you know your wheels are going to be cleaned and your tires are going to be protected. Packaged very nicely. So what do you get in your Ultimate Wheel Cleaning Kit? You're going to get your wheel and tire cleaner. You're going to get a nice, soft, plush mitt to clean your wheels with. You're going to get your tire protectant gel with the applicator. And you're going to get a nice, stiff bristle tire brush. Very nice. Not too stiff to where you can't really scrub, but stiff enough to get the tire clean. Got to have the right in between. So yeah, you're gonna get your brush. You're gonna get your tire protector gel. You're gonna get your tire cleaner. You're gonna get your wheel mitt. Everything you need to ultimately clean your wheels and tires and take them to the next level. So, shout out once again, Jim. I appreciate you, buddy, for putting this together and collaborating with Smurf for that kit. Now, last time I checked, it was $39.99, so just under 40 bucks, and you get the whole wheel cleaning kit. To me, that's a steal. Absolutely love the tire protectant gel. Absolutely love the wheel and tire cleaner. Fantastic. He gives you your brush and your mitt to clean the wheels and tires. Can't beat it. If you want to go check it out, I will leave a link below to his website where you can go check out this Ultimate Wheel Cleaning Kit, as well as the link to my review on these products. If you guys want to go check that out, feel free. That's pretty much it for this video. Once again, just wanted to shout out to Jim over at Next Level for putting this Ultimate Wheel Cleaning Kit together. Head over to thenextlevelcarcare.com. I'll leave the link to his website below. And check out his products. Go check out the wheel cleaning kit. Let me know how you like it. And get them wheels to the next level. This is not a sponsored video. He did not pay me anything to do this video, but he did send me this kit. So shout out. Appreciate you, Jim. That's going to do it. Quick video. If you guys like this video or found this video helpful, as always, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click that little notification bell, smash that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys all on the next video. But I can't until I wish all you guys a good day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching, and I'm going to catch you guys all in the next video.